Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
As a leader's wife, you are not supposed to come and behave personal. Mazina Bikano's wife shouldn't come with emotion of saying there's an there are infiltrators or whatever, saboteur. You feel me? This is an agitator. If she comes so personal and emotional, she's going to be attacked. She's supposed to know by now. The question Mazina Bikano's wife should be asking is, did my husband give an order that Simon Ekpa should broadcast on Radio Biafra? And now, with the structure that your husband give on ground, you are going to listen to the structure that your husband gives on ground. You listen to the DOS. After you listen to the DOS, then what you are going to do is go back and do your own research. Take your time. Get in touch with the opposition. Not even opposition. They are agitators, but there's a gap. There's a gap between. You don't listen to one side and then you begin to judge with an emotion and taking it personal. As a mother, you are mother of Biafrans. You are mother of Biafra. Don't take names. You went to, they have a meeting and you start to call Autopilot. Please, guys, I want you to understand, I'm not speaking as an Autopilot. And I'm not speaking as DOS. I'm speaking to our Mazina Bikano's wife that he made a mistake. This is my own opinion. This is my personal opinion that she's not supposed to be taking side. You listen to this one side, then what you need to do is go behind the scene. Don't talk to those people that you want to talk to the other people. You're supposed to pick a phone and talk to Simonekpa. My son, what actually happened? What happened between you and these people? Then you are going to listen to Simon's side of the story. I don't think Mazina Bikano's wife actually listened to the Simon story. As a mother, you don't do so. I saw the video he made. He said, oh, some people put on laptop and you begin to abuse people. Forget about the abuse that Simonekpa has been abusing. Check on the analysis that he has been making. Was he doing the right thing? I mean, his analysis alone. I'm not siding Simonekpa, please. Nothing will change. That the people they call DOS, their voice was not loud enough. That's what has brought us to Simon Ekpa. The question Mazina Bikano's wife should be asking is, what actually leads Simon Ekpa to got a lot of followers? I'm not speaking for Simon Ekpa. There's nothing that woman will say that will change my mind until Mazina Bikano comes out, bro. I'm not his spokesperson. As I am here, go and watch my videos. I have always been against Simon Ekpa in some words. But the reason why I support him, you should ask. I said it all the time. I support him because he speaks what I want to hear. Not because he's abusing people from the other side of DOS. No, that is not the reason why I support him. I support him because the analysis and expose that he does against the Nigerian government. Nelson Mandela's wife, during the apartheid regime, there were two versions of agitators in South Africa. The wife was not attacking the other people. What he does, was how to release the husband. Madam, now, this is an advice. Please, don't take it personal with me. If this is the time that Mazina Bikano's wife wake up from the sleep, It is the time now. If now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife wake up from the sleep, then he should behave like a mother. Listen to the other side people. Now you are in the midst of this. You are the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now that you come to social media, people will talk about you. You are going to watch a lot of videos. People will talk good about you. Some people will bring their opinion and you may not like it. Since your husband has been attacked on social media by even their own brother, people betray him, but he's still there standing strong. What I'm expecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife to do is listen to the DOS now without even telling them. You are going to do your own secret investigation. If you actually want peace and you want us to come one, not because somebody told you, oh, these ones are betrayers, oh, they are infiltrators. No. You are going to go behind. I actually want all of them to come together. Me personally, I want everybody to come together. He will have gone secretly and talk to Simonekpa without anybody knowing. I know he will keep secret and say, my son, please, this is not how we are going to get this Biafra. What do you have on ground? Simonekpa, what do you have on ground? What is going on? Then begin to listen, go back to the DOS and listen to them and tell them, this is what I heard about Simon. Is it true or not? Okay, now, in between, you are going to understand that it is just misunderstanding. I thought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife is coming to fix problem, but now you are escalating the problem. Me personally, there's nothing that will change my mind to make me think that people in DOS have been doing the right thing as in 100%. I'm not saying if they are not trying, but there's nothing that will change my mind that they have been doing the right thing. I've never seen that video that they did that actually shake the Nigerian government. No. Obasanjo, when Obasanjo watched Simon Ekpa video, go and search what he says. He said this guy is actually more bad or wicked because he's a soldier. You can't come here and begin to condemn people, mama. Come on, sister. Please, guys, listen, guys. We don't need to, I'm not doing video here for you to attack Mazi Simon Ekpa. I'm not doing video here for you to attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife. I am just voicing my opinion, like we're supposed to settle, now him be my own. But if madam wanted to settle this matter, you no need to come and be speaking. Say, oh, an autopilot infiltrator. No. If your two children, they fight, you are a mother. Two children are fighting. What you supposed to do? If another picking contact, you say, hey, mama, see what my brother do me. The other person, you go call and say not true. What is happening now? It is normal. It is normal in agitators. It is normal. In Israel, when Israel are getting their independence in Israel, it happened now. South Africa, before they got they have two versions. Nelson Mandela and the others. The wife of Nelson Mandela was studying how to release her husband. How they are going to release the husband. How to release. She was fighting and she was fighting for 29 years. She never stopped fighting. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife, please concentrate on how we are going to get Biafra. If you don't want to if you don't want to settle the matter, concentrate on how we are going to release your husband. How your husband is going to be released. She is going to come and settle this matter. I hate fighting. Those of you who are supporting DOS, it's okay if you come to attack me. I'm not here to make trouble. But I'm here as a neutral man to look into the matter. A mother is supposed to look into the matter and settle. People are looking up to you. There are a lot of people in this struggle that is older than you. There are a lot of people that are in this struggle that are more educated than you. There are people who are not even educated at all, but they are more mindset and mental fit. But as a woman, we look at you as a wife of our leader, and we are going to give you the respect. When I saw you coming to social media to speak, I said it, you are going to be attacked. I wasn't expecting her to take things personal. I know a lot of people will do video. Me, I'm a fearless guy. Listen to me, guys. I'm a fearless guy. Some of you are so stupid. But when they watch my videos, say, they talk about it's Autopilot. They talk about DOS. Me, I'm a fearless idiot. Go and watch the video I did in the evening. I talk directly to the King of England. That is to show you that I'm a fearless idiot. Now, only one time person they die. I make my video and I mention names. I mention the king, the newly acclaimed King of England, King Charles III. I make video directly that they may see it. I'm not just doing video because I want to attack somebody. No, I speak my mind. Please, why are we behaving like this? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is suffering there. Your husband is suffering there. You are come here to talk about. Listen, this is not the way. You can't change our mindsets by attacking others. All you need to settle the matter, make it be like magic. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is supposed to settle the matter, make it be like magic. Make we just here say, oh, this matter don't settle. See, we concentrate. Mazi Simon Ekpa has a lot to offer. And the other people also have a lot to offer. They may not have the loudest voice. They may not be vocal. But when you people come to say structure, it get me so crazy. When I hear structure, structure can be amended. Constitution can be amended. And I stand by this. I have made a video and I attack your husband, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I made a video and I attacked Mazi Nnamdi Kanu once. That was my first video. I said he is too slow. That if we want to fight, let we kukuma fight now. I make a video again. Not that I didn't make the video because I hate him. I made the video that how long are we going to be fighting? How long are we going to be waiting for Biafra? People are dying. Yes, I once make a video about him. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come to this country, I never went to visit him. Not because I don't respect him. I love him as a leader, but I never went to see him. Because me, I know, I don't understand. I don't want you people to misunderstand me. Please. Why do I do this video? Or why am I making this video? If to bring peace, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife is escalating the issue. It's going to give people things to talk about and start attacking her. And I think this is the last video I'm going to make, talking to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife. What she's supposed to do is, as a mother, listen to the other people. Don't say infidel. People are infidel. You take it personal. By just coming, oh, some people call themselves Autopilot. Autopilot did not call themselves Autopilot. Me, I have been following those people from A to Z. I've been following Mazi Simonekpa from A to Z. I know exactly what happened. Nothing anybody can tell me now that will just bring me. No. This is my personal issue. I listened to him when the problem started. He speak his own mind. People come attacking the DOS. He said, listen, guys, don't attack DOS. If they don't want me to speak on Radio Biafra, do not attack them. After all, Mazi Simonekpa has always been there. He has always been on platform. He may not be 100%. They may agree and disagree on some issues. But the issue escalates. As a mother, let's assume for the past 1 year, you were not around. Now you are around. You should listen to the other side. You may mention that peace is very important. You don't make peace with two brothers that are fighting and you support one person and begin to speak bad about the other child. It is wrong. Even if you come to support Autopilot and you're speaking bad about DOS, I will still see this. I go say the same thing. If you come to support Simon Ekpa now and you begin to speak bad about the other people, madam, me too, I go still talk. Who go hate me, go hate me. Me, I stand by peace. I want peace between the two, all of us, so that we can go forge ahead. Your husband is being locked up there. You are sleeping alone on that bed every day. Your child is asking you, where's my father? Is that not emotional enough? Please. You are talking to men here. You are talking to die-hard people. We are divided. We agree. Some people may say we are not divided. We are divided. That is the truth. Some people say they are doing things that we can't see on social. We can't see them. They are, I don't know what to say now, because Simonekpa is doing his things visibly. Sometimes make you think you see what make me give me confidence that Simon is not, I may not be 100%. Like I normally say, Simon may not be 100%. He shows everything who he is.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.